Hi and welcome to Geeks for Geeks. In this tutorial, we will learn about priority queues in C++. Priority queues are a type of container adapters specifically designed such that the first element of the queue is the greatest of all the elements in the queue. To create a priority queue, we use the data structure priority queue present in the queue library. Just like stacks and queues, we need to write the data type of our priority queue like this. To push an element in the priority queue, we use the push function. Here we are pushing elements in a random order. First I am pushing 10, then 70, then 80, 5 and 100. To print the top, we use the top function. The top must be the greatest element of the priority queue. Let's run this code. We can see that the output is 100. Now let's pop an element. We can do this using the pop function. And I am printing the top again. We can see that the next highest element is 80 and it is printed. Now let's learn how to print the entire priority queue. To do so, we do something like this. We keep popping and printing the top element from the priority queue until it becomes empty. Like this. Let's run this code. We can see that the entire priority queue is printed. So this brings us to the end of this video tutorial. Thank you for watching. Please leave us your likes and comments in the comments section.